Hey guys, welcome back to my channel first of all. If you're new here, my name is Marcella. If you're not new here, well then hi, welcome back. So I had this entire vlog planned for today and it was like super aesthetic and I was gonna have like a nice intro and it was gonna be so cute. And I woke up at 8 a.m. so that I could like film and everything, and we had a power outage. I started filming and we got a power outage. And I was like, are you kidding me? Out of all the days that I did not need a power outage, that day was today. Kind of wrecked my whole aesthetic plan to like have a cute vlog and stuff, but that's fine because we're still going to vlog today and we're just gonna go with it. But as you can tell by the thumbnail of this vlog, today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day at 5 months pregnant. I just thought it would be a really fun vlog to do because I can definitely tell that my eating has changed since becoming pregnant. Like especially when I was first pregnant to like being 5 months pregnant, there's a big difference. So yeah, I figured I would bring you guys along with me today for everything that I eat today. I'm a little bit nervous because it's literally 11:20 and I haven't eaten all day. Usually I would have eaten hours ago, but the reason why I'm nervous is because I need to get breakfast, lunch, and dinner in because I usually eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and today just got wrecked because of the power outage, and I have a like family dinner coming over today at 5 p.m. Not only do I need to vlog this vlog, make sure I get all my meals in and my nutrition in, I need to prep a whole dinner for my husband's family, and the house is literally such a big mess because I've been working all week and I just haven't been feeling good. There's so many dishes and I have so much to do and not a lot of time, and my energy is very low, so yeah. But at least I showered today and now I'm going to make breakfast, so let's just get breakfast started. Okay guys, so I'll give you guys a little tour of my breakfast. So as you saw, I have coffee. I don't really drink coffee because I'm not a coffee person, but sometimes I like to get like the Starbucks coffee and then I'll just drink that every now and then. Most of the time it just stays in my fridge all the time, but I don't really drink coffee, but sometimes I crave it. And I just was craving it. So we have my coffee, and then I made 2 scrambled eggs on toast with some hot sauce and Parmesan on top. Not exactly the most appealing, prettiest thing, but it works for me. And then I was craving yogurt, but I wanted like this type of yogurt, so I got Yop. If you've ever heard of this, it's raspberry. And then I also really wanted a kiwi, so I'm just gonna have a kiwi also. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my kiwi, drink my Yop, drink my coffee. Like, it's just a basic breakfast. This is definitely hitting the spot. But anyways, that being said, I will catch you guys around either snack or lunch, depending on when I'm hungry next. I'm gonna eat this and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, it is now 12:30. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 12:30. I figured I would show you guys the truth about how my life has been going. And this past week has been very difficult for me because I'm very tired and I'm really about to expose myself, but I'm hoping you guys can understand. So, as you can see, my kitchen is literally a nightmare. I have so many dishes that are just so disgusting. And it's a lot. Overall, about my whole dish situation, I try to do dishes every day and keep up with it, but I've been working a lot and I've been really tired because I usually work night shifts. And to get to my work, it's 2 hours of transiting. So it's really exhausting and I just ran behind on dishes. But today I have family friends coming over and today's my day off, and then I work 5 days. So I just wanted to get this like over with and done with. I just want to keep it real. Like, if you're struggling to like maintain your everyday like chores, tasks, like making the bed, doing dishes, simple things like taking care of yourself, showering, brushing your teeth, I just want you to know that I am also struggling and I feel you, and it's completely normal. So I figured before I made lunch, my goal is to finish dishes completely. So before I make my snack or my lunch, depending on how hungry I am, I'm going to force myself to finish dishes. Let's just get it over with because it's stressing me out and I just want to get it done. Okay guys, so I cleaned my counters. I did a load of dishes and I already rinsed all of this. I cleaned it. It just needs to go into the next load. But that's done. Counters are clean. I just have to clean my stove. But yeah, counters are good. I am feeling a lot better now that I have every single dish is at least rinsed and ready to get dishwashed. And the counters are cleaned. I still have to go through and like scrub details and stuff. But just getting the dishes done and cleaning the counters in the kitchen made a huge difference and I feel a lot better. And it is now 1:37. I don't know if you can see, 1:37. And I think that I am a little bit hungry. I don't know if I'm gonna have a lunch today, but I'm gonna decide. I'm gonna look in the fridge and then decide what I want. But yeah, I am getting hungry, so I'm gonna have either a snack or lunch, I don't know. And then we need to get dinner cooking because people are gonna be here between 5 and 5:30, so a lot of work needs done. Okay guys, as you saw, my lunch is ready. This is something I like to do on like a regular basis. It's just a really quick, easy lunch. I just like to fry up whatever veggies I have in the fridge. So if there's like mushrooms, for example, today I had mushrooms, carrots, and green beans, I would do that. But on other days, sometimes I have just onions and something simple. Like basically I just use any veggie that's in my fridge and I just fry it up a bit. And then I have these minute rices. I just cook that quickly and then I add some salsa and Parmesan on top. Let me just stir this up. Tell you guys how it turned out. It's really good. And if I would have chicken, like pre-cooked chicken from the night before, I would have added it to this too. But I didn't have any, so I just ate it this way. And then, gotta keep it real with you guys, I'm also having a Coke Zero. I try not to have too many like drinks every day. I just try to stick to my water and then like one drink. But today, for some reason, I am feeling really drinky. My craving is just a bunch of different drinks. Like, I don't know if anyone's experienced this, if you've been pregnant before or if you are pregnant. I don't necessarily crave food, I crave drinks. Like a nice cold Coke or like a pink lemonade. Ugh, now I want pink lemonade. Not good, not good. I'm just keeping it real, to be honest, guys. Like, I'm not perfect. I definitely don't eat the best. And today is just one of those days where I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of different drinks because I'm just craving it. And sometimes that happens. It doesn't happen every day, it happens some days. Okay, I'm gonna eat this and then do some more cleaning and then I will talk to you guys when it's ready to make dinner time. Okay guys, it is now around 4:30 and it's time for me to start preparing for dinner. But I'm just gonna switch into this black shirt and put my hair up because every single time I make lasagna, which is what I'm making for dinner by the way, I get like oil and shit all over my clothes and it just wrecks it. So I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna change my shirt and then we'll get dinner started. But let me update you guys. I finished putting the rest of the dishes into the dishwasher and dishes are completely done now. I'm about to make more dishes because I'm cooking dinner, but that's okay because the worst of it was done. I'm already feeling so much better and so relieved. The house is cleaned. I just have a few things to do and I'm just feeling really happy. But I'm gonna change my shirt and then let's get dinner. Okay guys, shirt is changed. Just put on this black shirt and I wanted to show you guys everything that is like my base to making my lasagna. I try to put as many veggies as I can. So I have carrots, which I will cut up really thin, or I'll grate it. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna add some celery to the beef. And then I have mushrooms, onion, and then I have some spinach and some different colored peppers. And then of course I have garlic because you need garlic in everything. And then I'll usually go through the fridge after and just try to find random things to add. But that's like the main base of the veggies. And then I also have ground beef. And then of course you need cheese, it's lasagna. And then I'll just use literally any pasta sauce, but my favorite is anything that has the word cheese in it. So there's like 4 cheese or Parmesan and cheese, like so many different things. And then my favorite type of noodles is the oven ready ones because then I don't have to like cook anything. Okay, oven is preheating to 450 and now I'm going to start chopping everything up. Okay guys, so I have everything chopped up. So I have my mushrooms, my celery, my carrots, and my onions. And then I also have this bag of spinach I want to use and a bag of like mixed peppers that I want to throw in. But yeah, this will be like all my veggies to put in the lasagna. Okay guys, so the meat is down. It's just starting to cook. Once this is like half cooked, I'll add all the veggies and stuff and finish cooking it. And I like to add onion and garlic powder, so I'm going to add some of this. The mushrooms, celery. Cheese is grated. Look at this mountain of cheese. So step one is to place your noodles down, and then we're going to add sauce. Yummy yum. Spread it out. This is like a really messy part, to be honest. So don't be afraid to just use your hands. Obviously wash your hands before because gross, but don't be afraid to use your hands and like spread it out with your fingers because it's so much easier. Just cheese. And then repeat that for as much as you can. Okay, and then that is it. And you're gonna put this in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, my family's almost here, but I just wanted to show you guys how cute the table looks. It's all set up and it looks so cute, and I'm just, it's so aesthetic. Like I had to take out the middle piece, which is this and these beads, but other than that, it just looks so cute. And then let's check on our lasagna. Lasagna looks literally amazing. Oh my gosh, so excited. But it's getting dark and table is set up. Family should be here any second. I have a candle here running and it smells amazing. I'm a little sad I didn't do anything nice to my hair or do my makeup, but I've just been so busy all day up to this moment, and so I didn't really have a lot of time to do anything for myself. I just wanted to say that dinner's almost ready. It smells amazing. House looks good. And yeah, so I'm gonna have lasagna for dinner. I think I might make a Caesar salad. I don't know if my lettuce is still good, but if it's good, I'm gonna make that too. But I just wanted to say, in case I couldn't give you guys like a full talking show of what's going on with the food, it's because I have my husband's family here. But I'll make sure to check in with you guys tonight before bed, and I'll make sure to definitely take like photos and videos of the food. And if I can talk, then I will talk. But sometimes it's a little bit awkward with family, so I will update you guys, and I will see you guys when the lasagna is done. Let's go. It smells so good. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I quickly just threw some Caesar salad together. It's literally just lettuce, Parmesan cheese, and then Caesar dressing. Hey guys, so it is now bedtime. It is 10 o'clock, 9:20 at night, and yeah, I had lasagna for dinner with a little bit of rice that my husband's sister made, and then I had salad, as you guys saw. It was really good and really amazing, and yeah, that's all I had. I didn't have dessert today, but I am just in bed now, and I have to take all my supplements, so my prenatal supplements, and my medication that helps me like my morning sickness, and my magnesium. So that is the last thing I'll take for the day, and I will make sure to finish my water bottle. This is my second water bottle of the day. I really wish I drank more water, but it's my worst habit. So yeah, my goal is to start drinking more though. So I'm just keeping it real with you guys. But that being said, that is everything that I eat in a day at 5 months pregnant. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because a lot more awesome videos are coming out, and I'm just really excited for you guys to follow me along in my pregnancy journey. And yeah, that being said, I'm gonna go to bed because I have had a long day. I'm really tired and I have work tomorrow. So I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye guys, I love you. Bye.